Now for some more vocab. So go ahead and draw a circle that looks similar to this with the following points and information. We're going to divide 4 more vocab in this next section, and those are semicircle, arc, minor arc, and major arc. A semicircle, which you've probably heard about or heard of before, is just simply half of a circle. An arc is a portion of a circle. And direct information would be the curved portion. Okay. Then the minor arc is an arc less than a semicircle. Sorry, I'm holding the paper down. And then a major arc is an arc more than a semicircle. Now, how do we actually name these? So we're actually going to start from the bottom, going up. A major arc is named by 3 points. Okay. Those 3 points being the end point, I'll hold this paper down, and a point in between them. Sorry about that. All right, paper didn't want to work with me. So, sorry again. Major arc is named by 3 points, the end point, and a point in between them. A minor arc, which is less than a semicircle, is named by 2 points, and specifically it is the shortest distance between the points. Named by 2 points, shortest distance between the points. Now, the arc is just simply a definition. The minor and major are how you name it. And then last but not least, a semicircle, which is named like a major arc. Oh, try to calm. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at this image and see what we can discover. So for a semicircle, remember it is a half a circle. Okay, so that means it would have to go straight through the middle, and it would have to be very proportionate to exactly half the circle. It cannot be anything else. So for this, we could say that this whole shape that I shade in is a semicircle. Okay. I also could say the other side is a semicircle. Okay. So you could name the semicircle different ways. So for example, I could name it BDC. And when we name a semicircle, a minor arc, or a major arc, we put like a little arc above it. So BDC is one option. Or to name the other side, I would have to choose a different point in between, and I could say BEC. So although they have the same endpoints, because I used a different middle point, it refers to the opposite side of the circle, or opposite side of the semicircle. Okay, minor arc. Remember, minor arc is an arc less than a semicircle. Now, there's lots of different minor arcs on this. I'm only going to list a couple. So you have BE, that's a minor arc. Okay. You have EC, that's a minor arc. Okay, might as well just list them all. We have ED, or sorry, not ED. CD is what I meant to say. DB. And then last but not least, let's do major arcs. Okay, major arcs. Again, 3 points, 2 endpoints, 1 in the middle. But this has to be more than a semicircle. So it has to go past our semicircle line. Okay, so one major arc that you could do would be BED. So that would show this whole arc, BED. Bed. Okay. Another example could be CDE, being this part of the arc. So minor and major have lots of different ways to name them, as well as you could replace it by saying, I could also have called it minor arc EB or DC. That's the same arc, just with 2 different orders. Okay, and so that is the next set of our vocab.